In the realm of natural healing, the role of a competent, experienced homeopathic practitioner is paramount. Such a practitioner is a beacon of hope, a guide in the journey towards wellness, and a cornerstone in the field of alternative medicine. In order to be considered competent and reliable, a homeopathic practitioner must possess in-depth knowledge and understanding of several key areas. Firstly, they must be well-versed in the principles of health preservation, case-taking methods according to homeopathy, and rules of using potency. This knowledge forms the foundation of their practice and is fundamental to their ability to provide effective treatment. Secondly, they should have a thorough understanding of the obstacles that may arise during treatment and the pathological conditions as first detailed in the صابری مٹیریا میڈیکا. Thirdly, they should be proficient in the philosophy of homeopathy. This includes the principles and laws that govern treatment and healing in homeopathy, allowing them to approach each case with a holistic, individualized perspective. Furthermore, a profound knowledge of miteria medica is essential. This includes understanding the properties of medicines, their mental symptoms, peculiar symptoms, central symptoms, sides of medicines, their origin, reasons for their inclusion in homeopathy, famous doctors who have used them successfully, diseases and symptoms where they have gained fame, and the part of the body most deeply affected by the medicine. Moreover, a deep comprehension of pathology is necessary. This includes the names of diseases, their facts and locations, their complete condition and form, causes of their increase and decrease, timings of their increase and decrease, further complications and pathological conditions arising from them, and more. Understanding the causes of diseases, including spiritual obstacles, is also crucial. This forms a significant part of medical knowledge and includes understanding and treating spiritual obstacles such as magic, evil eye, sin, impurity, polytheism, filth, and innovation. Knowledge of 100 human homeopathic temperaments is also key. This involves understanding how different personalities respond to different remedies, a concept first introduced in the صابری مٹیریا میڈیکا. To summarize, a competent homeopathic practitioner is one who embodies a wealth of knowledge in various areas of homeopathy, from the principles of health preservation to the deep understanding of human temperaments. They're not merely a product of a DHMS degree, but a result of relentless hard work, continuous study, deep contemplation on patients, diseases, their causes, and temperaments. This is the mark of a true healer, a master homeopathic practitioner. The journey to becoming one may not be easy, but the rewards it brings, the ability to heal, to alleviate suffering, to bring hope, are truly priceless.